Welcome to this setup video for Locust.io, the open source load testing tool. In this tutorial, brought to you by the HighScaler team, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and get started with Locust for load testing your web applications. Locust.io is a Python-based tool, so having Python is essential. And the second one is pip, so you'll need pip, the Python package manager, to install Locust. If you don't have it, you can install it easily by following the official Python documentation. Or you can follow this command. It installs and upgrades the pip. Let's create a folder, let it be Locust. Now we need to set up an environment for this load testing. So let's create a virtual environment using this command. Now activate that virtual environment. So with the prerequisites in place and our environment set up successfully, let's install Locust by using this command. This command will download and install Locust along with its dependencies. Locust uses Python scripts called Locust files to define the user behavior during load tests. You'll need to create a Locust file for your specific test scenario. Here's an example of a simple Locust file. Customize this file according to your application's needs, specifying the tasks Locust will perform. Now, to start your load test, run the following command in your terminal. This will start the Locust web interface. Open your web browser and navigate to this link. You will see the Locust web interface, where you can configure the number of users, spawn rate, and other test parameters. Here you set the desired number of users and spawn rate, then click Start Swarm to begin the load test. Locust will start simulating user behavior and gathering performance metrics in real time. The Locust web interface provides real-time monitoring of key performance metrics, including response times, request rates, and failures. You can analyze this data to identify bottlenecks or issues in your application. That's it. You've successfully set up Locust.io for load testing your web application. Customize your Locust file and adjust test parameters to suit your specific testing needs. Thank you for watching this setup video from the HighScaler team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Happy load testing with Locust.io.